Now in this video we are going to discuss about the permutations, basic concept of permutations. Before starting permutations, one question is here. Just read the question and think about it. There is a student named as Subhankar and his 5 friends considered as Bans, Ankur, Tejas, Tapesh and Ahmed. Just have to confirm in how many ways Subhankar and his 5 friends can sit on 4 empty chairs. There are 4 chairs and out of 6, 4 students have to sit. Number of ways you have to find. After completion of this topic, you are able to solve this question. Already in previous video, I have covered one topic, fundamental principle of counting. Using fundamental principle of counting, also you can solve this question. Just think and apply fundamental principle of counting. There are 4 chairs. 4 chairs means 4 positions are there. Consider as first position, second position, third position, and fourth position. Now check. 4 empty chairs means there are 4 positions or 4 chairs. And number of students, remember there are 6 students. Subhankar and his 5 friends. Total number of students 6. Now first chair. How many options you have? 6 options. Any one of these 6 students can sit here on first chair. And on second chair, if one student is seated here, then for second chair only 5 students remains. It implies there are 5 options. Third chair, first student seated here. Second chair, second student means from 5 any one student. Now 2 students seated here. Now third chair only you have 4 options. Any one of 4 students will sit here. And fourth chair, any one of remaining 3 students will sit. And 2 students will not sit on any chair. Total number of ways, just multiply using fundamental principle of counting and you will get a result. Now after completion of this topic, in the last again you will able to solve the question using the formula of permutations. Now definition of permutation. And before definition of permutation, again one more example. There are 3 objects A, B and C. If we take 2 of these at a time, then number of arrangement. How many ways we can arrange 2 letters out of 3 taken at a time? Easily you can write A, B or B A, because there is importance of order. The word is used as arrangement. A, B and B A both are different. A, B represent first letter is A and second is B. And B, A first, B second A. Therefore A, B and B A, there are 2 different arrangements, same pattern, A, C and C A, B, C and C B. In this pattern, there are total 6 arrangements in which we can arrange 2 letters out of 3 at a time. Same question also you can solve using fundamental principle of counting. You have to take 2 letters at a time. It implies there are 2 letters, means 2 position, first position and second position. First, any one of these 3 letters you can take. At second place, remaining 2 letters. If first is A, then second place 2 options remains. Means if first letter is A, you are taking, then second 2 options, it implies B or C. It implies A, B or A, C. Similarly, if first place B you are taking, then second, again 2 options you have, A or C. It implies next BA and BC. Similarly, if first letter is C, then second option A and B, means A and B. The same thing written here. You can observe here AB AC, AB AC, BA BC, BA BC, CA CB, CA and CB written here. In this pattern again you can count and write number of arrangement is 6. Or here just using fundamental principle of counting, first place any one of 3 letters we can write, and if any one of 3 letters written, then second place you can observe here only 2 options. First is A, then 2 options here, 2 options here and 2 options here. Multiply and you will get total number of arrangement as 6. Therefore, each of these arrangement as AB, BA, AC or CA is known as permutation. Means number of arrangement means number of permutation, and each arrangement is known as permutation. Now, final definition: the different arrangement which can be made by taking some or all of the objects at a time are called permutations. In previous example, I have taken, if there are 3 letters A, B, C, out of 3 you can take 2 letters at a time, 1 letter at a time, or all 3 letters at a time. Or in first example, I just said Subhankar and his 5 friends, there are 6 students at a time. 4 chairs we have considered. At a time you can select 3 students at a time, 2 students at a time. Then you have to find number of arrangement. Number of arrangement means number of permutations. Each arrangement represent one permutation. If n and r positive integers, n represent total number of letters, total number of objects, and r number of objects which you are going to take at a time, then number of permutations. But one more thing you can observe here, the number of students, Subhankar and his 5 friends, are 3 letters ABC, all are distinct objects. There is no repetition of any letter. Then we denote number of permutations using symbol P in bracket n comma r, or other form NPR. N represents total number of objects, P means number of permutations, and R means number of objects taken at a time. Therefore, NPR equal to total number of permutations of n distinct objects taken R at a time. If all objects are not distinct, then we will study in next video what are different conditions. Now, number of permutations of n distinct objects taken R at a time means you have R places which you can fill with the help of n different objects. R places, it implies first place you have how many options? If you draw first place and total number of objects n, the first place you have n options. Then second place, same pattern. There are 6 students. First place 6 option, second place 1 place. The same pattern. Second place here n minus 1 options. Similarly, third place n minus 2 options. Third place n minus 2, and in this pattern fourth place n minus 3, and similarly number of ways of filling r places. If anyone asks how many ways you can fill 3 places, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2. Number of ways in which you can fill 4 places, then you will write n minus 1 n minus 2 into n minus 3. Number of ways in which you can fill 2 places, n into n minus 1. There are r places. For 2 places up to n minus 1 you have to multiply 2 terms. 3 places multiply 3 terms. First place, second place, third place. 4 places 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 factors. It implies for r places there will be r factors. Now value of rth factor calculation. It in fourth factor means 3 written here. Third factor 2 written. Rth factor r minus 1. 1 less than position of factor because it is third factor. So third factor means 1 less than 3 means 2 written. Fourth factor 1 less than 4, 3 written. And if open the bracket, we can write n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 up to n minus r plus 1. In this pattern, number of permutations of r objects out of n we can write as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 up to n minus r plus 1. There are n objects, total number of objects, distinct object. You want to take 2 at a time, then number of permutations equal to n into n minus 1. 3 at a time, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2. R at a time up to n minus r plus 1. Now some results based on above formula. If r equal to n means we are going to take all the objects at a time. Then in place of r write down n minus r plus 1, already formula written. In place of r you are writing n minus n plus 1, n minus n cancel out. You will get npn equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 up to n, means product of first n natural number, that is factorial n. npn equal to factorial n. npn means number of objects given n and number of objects you are going to take at a time n, means all objects you are going to take at a time. Then number of permutations, number of arrangement equal to factorial n. For example, 3 objects already we have taken ABC. If we take all these at a time, then number of arrangement. To one option we can use formula npn. Second, just written all 6 combinations here. npn, if you are using formula, you will get number of arrangement as 3p3 equal to factorial 3 equal to 3 into 2 into 1 equal to 6. Or also you can apply fundamental principle of counting. Fundamental principle of counting you apply, easily you can observe here there are 3 places because all letters you are going to take at a time and there are 3 letters ABC. It implies, again apply fundamental principle of counting. To first place you have 3 options, second place 2 options, and third place 1 option. Multiply, you will get total number of arrangement or total number of permutations, that is equal to 6 as written here. ABC, BAC, ACB, CAB, BC and ABC. Now next result. Second, NPR equal to n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 up to n minus r plus 1. RHS we want to write in terms of factorial. N minus r plus 1 written. Now multiply by n minus r, 1 less than, then again 1 separate, n minus r minus 1, n minus r minus 2 up to 3, 2 into 1. Same number of factors divided by denominator. The given part was n minus 1, n minus 2 up to n minus r plus 1. Now remaining factors multiply and divide. Result remains same, but now in numerator it represents product of first n natural number. Therefore numerator you can write factorial n, and denominator n minus r factorial, because first factor is n minus r into n minus r minus 1 and n minus r minus 2 up to 3 into 2 into 1 is factorial n minus r. Therefore NPR also we can write as factorial n upon factorial n minus r. Now example, one student was Subhankar and 5 his friends, 4 empty chairs, number of beds they can sit. Directly you can apply formula here. Total number of friends, students 6, number of empty chairs 4, number of sitting arrangement or number of beds in which they can sit on 4 chairs equal to factorial 6 upon factorial 6 minus 4, just use formula, equal to factorial 6 we can write as 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into factorial 2, and 6 minus 4 means factorial 2. Factorial 2 cancel out, 6, 5, 4, 3 multiply equal to 360. In first slide already we have discussed using fundamental principle of counting. In first place there are 6 options, second place 5 options, third place 4 options, and fourth place 3 options. Therefore find the product and you will get total number of options. Just think, in the same question, if there is 3 empty chairs, then number of arrangement or number of permutation, easily you can apply 6p 3 equal to factorial 6 upon factorial 6 minus 3. If there are 6 empty chairs and 6 students, then 6p6, and value of 6p6 equal to factorial 6, means 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and total equal to 720 options. Now one more result. Since NPR equal to factorial n upon factorial n minus r. Now if r equal to n, then result you will get NP n equal to factorial n upon factorial n minus n. And already we have discussed, if total number of objects n and number of objects you are going to take at a time is n, then npn equal to factorial n. In place of npn we can write factorial n, and using formula you are getting factorial n upon n minus n means factorial 0. Cross multiply, and after that transfer factorial n in right side, so factorial n upon factorial n cancel out, that is 1. It implies whenever required we can write factorial 0 equal to 1, but it has no meaning. Factorial 0 is meaningless, but in order to make the formula NPR a valid formula, you have to consider in the question factorial 0 as 1. Now some solved question. How many words can be made from the letters of the word bungalow? With condition all letters are used. Second, 4 letters are used. And third, all the vowels are together. Whenever any question given this type, first you write down the word and check number of letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are total 8 letters. Number of vowels 3 and number of consonant 5. Repetition, just check any letter is repeated or not. So there is no repetition of any letter. Just whatever word given, all information written. Now, first you have to write all letters are used. The number of permutations, right? When all letters are used. Number of permutation means total number of words. Easily you can write using formula. Required number of words, that is 8p8. If all letters are used at a time, the number of permutations is 8p8 equal to factorial 8. Factorial 8 means product of first 8 natural numbers, and you will get result 40,320. Now in second question, 4 letters used at a time. The total number of letters 8. You are going to use 4 at a time. So therefore, factorial 8 upon factorial 8 minus 4. NPR factorial n upon factorial n minus r. 8 minus 4 means factorial 4. Therefore, numerator write as 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into factorial 4. Factorial 4 cancel out, and the result is 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 equal to 1680. Now third part, conditions given. All vowels are together. Now there are 3 vowels, and vowels we can arrange in how many ways? 3 vowels are there means 3p3 are factorial 3 ways. And if all vowels occur together means consider as one letter these all vowels. Just in this case there are 5 consonants and all vowels you consider as one letter. The total number of letters you have 6. And arrangement of these 6 letters we can write as 6p6 equal to factorial 6. Therefore, required number of words is factorial 3 using fundamental principle of counting. Factorial 3 into factorial 6. First you arrange these 3 vowels together. Then total number of letters, if you consider all 3 vowels as one letter is 6. Therefore factorial 6. Multiply, you will get 4320. And these questions also you can solve using fundamental principle of counting. Now second question, find the value of n if 6pr ratio 6p5 equal to 1:2. For 6pr we can write as factorial 6 upon 2. Factorial 6 minus r is 2. Factorial 6 upon factorial 6 minus 5 equal to 1:2. Ratio means division form. To multiply sign used means reciprocal is equal to 1 upon 2. Factorial 6 in next step cancel out. 6 minus 5 means factorial 1. Therefore 1 upon factorial 6 minus r equal to 1 upon 2. Reciprocal both sides. Factorial 6 minus r equal to 2 and 2 is equal to factorial 2. So factorial 6 minus r equal to factorial 2. Therefore 6 minus r equal to 2 and r equal to 4. In this process question based on permutation you can solve. Now some questions for practice. In question number 1, you have to find the value of n if np4 equal to 12 into np2. In question number 2, how many words can be made from the letters of the word pencil? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters are there, and there is no repetition. Therefore, first part you have to write if all letters are used, the number of permutations or number of words. Second, all words start with P. It implies first letter is fixed. Now, how many letters remains? 5 letters and 5 positions. Third part, first letter is given as P and last letter I. Then you have to find number of words. And third question, find the value of n if np3 equal to 990. Means just apply the formula. np3 means factorial n upon factorial n minus 3 equal to 990. Just simplify and you will get the result. In this pattern, you have to complete these 3 questions. In next video, we have to discuss the permutation based on conditions, restricted permutation, and also circular permutation. If these 6 students I started, we have discussed Subhankar and his friends. If they want to sit in a circular form on circular table, then number of arrangement. That topic we have to cover in next video.